this video, we're going to take a look at just a single indefinite integral here. We're going to integrate cosine natural log of x all over x. All right, now this would be done pretty early in a Calc 1 class where you have learned U-substitution. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take that inside part of that trig function, and that's what I'm going to let my u be. So we're going to let u equal the natural log of x. At that point, then I'm going to take the derivative of both sides. So I'll have a du is equal to a 1 over x dx. I want to solve all the way down for my dx, so I'm going to multiply both sides by x. So I'll have an x du is equal to dx. All right, now after I've done that, then I'm going to come back up here to my integral, and I'm going to start to make some substitutions. All right, I will have the cosine. All right, natural log of x, we let be u, so that'll be cosine of u, and then all over the x. The dx is equal to an x du, so we're going to make that replacement as well, so x du. All right, now what we want to happen is we want our x's to all fall out. This x is on top, this x is on the bottom, so they definitely cross out. That leaves me down with a integral of cosine u du. I'm now all in terms of u, and it's a straight integration from here. So when I integrate cosine, I get sine u, and then we'll have the plus c. Since it's an indefinite integral, I can now replace my u with the natural log of x. So final answer here will be sine of a natural log of x, and then plus c. So a pretty straightforward U-substitution integral, one that would be found very early on in a Calc 1 class. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please be sure and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.